Welcome back to a new video, Travs fans. In this one, I am going to get you a tour of Splash Lagoon in the North Village of Orange Lake Resort. And I'm here at like 8 o'clock right now, and a lot of things are closed, but the pool is still open, so I'm gonna get you that and the pizzeria. So here is the main entrance area of the North Village pool. And on the right here, we have Paisan Pizzeria, which is Orange Lake's main pizza place. Here's the menu. And over here, they have a Coke freestyle machine as well. So walking down the stairs, let me show you the pools that are down here. So they have this pool here, which has a few waterfalls there. And then it goes all the way around this area until a little bridge, which I'll show you in a second. So yeah, here's the back side of this pool. And then right here, we have a little separator between the two pools. And then in this pool over here, we have water volleyball and a water slide. The water slide is short and sweet, and it stays open until the pool closes. So one thing to mention about this pool is that it's a little bit colder than the East Village pools and the River Island pool. And there is no hot tub, but it does have a nice water slide and a good area if you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of River Island during the day. So over towards the back is the kiddie pool right here. And then over here, they have an arcade and a shop. And right here is the Sun Shop, but it's only open from 10 to 3 every day, so it is not open right now. But the Tower Arcade is open right now at around 8 at night. Here's a walkthrough for the Tower Arcade. So they have a self-serve redemption area where you swipe your game card and choose the prize that you want through this window. So coming towards the back of the area, we have the pro shop for the Legends Walk golf course. It is a 9-hole lighted pitch and putt that you can play at night. Here's the golf shop. All right, that is going to do it for this one, Travs fans. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And as always, sub for more content.